think I'm ready to have a day.
Might as well.
Yep.
Hello guys, my name is Luis. I'm gonna be your chef today. Because the seafood reacts better to the acid of the lime. But you can make ceviche with different things. For example, beef. Thank you. The beef, if you cut it thin enough, or even ground beef, the acid of the lime will cook it enough so you can eat it just like that. It is a cooking technique. Okay? But today we're going to keep it simple. Fish and shrimp. With these two ingredients though, the only one that I could recommend you to cook only with the acid of the lime is the fish. The fish cooks 100% done only with the acid of the lime. The shrimp, on the other hand, only goes like 80 or 90%, I would say. That means not everybody can handle it like that. So I recommend you to cook it in boiling water all the way done, and then you make a ceviche.
Hey everyone, it's day 3. We're here in Cozumel, Mexico. Here's the view from our balcony. Just got back from our excursion. We did the Tabasco cooking class. A lot of really great food, drinks, just an overall great time. So definitely recommend if you're looking for something different to do in Cozumel. If not, Mr. Sancho's is always a great choice. We are probably gonna head out and go to the pool, hang out, have some drinks, and see where the rest of the night takes us.